Hello, friends and family. My name is Jennifer Coleman, and I'm a math coach in Henrico County Public Schools. I am here today to discuss with you counting, constructing, and comparing sets of objects. Our objective or our goal is to construct a set that has more, fewer, or the same number of objects as a given set. Well, in order to create or construct a set with more objects, or to construct or create a set with fewer objects, or even construct a set that has the same amount of objects, we need to know how many objects are in the given set. Sometimes you will know how many objects are in the set because they'll be in a pattern and it looks familiar. It might look similar to dice or similar to dominoes, things that you play games with, cards. Or sometimes you'll see things organized in a 10 frame. 10 frame is a great tool to help you organize objects when you're trying to figure out how many. So what I'm going to do today with you is we're going to use 10 frames, and I found a bunch of buttons in my sewing kit. And we're going to create a given set. And then we're going to match a number to that given set. And then once we make sure that we got that number, we know that amount, we're then going to create another set that has more buttons in it, and we're going to create a set that has fewer buttons in it. And then we might even be able to create a set that has the same amount of buttons in it. Does that make sense? All right, you ready? Here we go. Okay, this is our first 10 frame. So what do you notice with this 10 frame? I notice that the whole top row is filled in. When the whole top row of a 10 frame is filled in, that means that there are 5 filled in. There must be 5 buttons in this given set. We can count just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. So when the top row of a 10 frame is filled in, that means there's 5. I'm going to match the numeral 5 with my 10 frame. So now what I need to do is I need to create another 10 frame, one that has fewer buttons in it. So fewer means it has to have less than 5 buttons in it. And if I really think about this, I need to have less than the top row filled in. So let me see. Let's see if we can do it. 1. There's 1 button. Is 1 less than 5? Yeah. 2. Is 2 less than 5? Yeah. See, I have less than 5 filled in. How about 3? Is 3 less than 5? It certainly is, because I have less filled in on this top row than I do in this top row. So we're going to stop there, and we're going to say that this set of 3 is fewer than this set of 5. So I'm going to match the 3 here. Okay, let's create one that has more. All right, so now I'm going to come to this side, and I have a blank 10 frame, and we know that we want to create a set that has more. So I need to have more than just the top row filled in. So let's see. 1, is that more than that? Nope. 2, is that more than the top row? Not yet. 3, I have 3 buttons. Is that more than the top row? Nope. How many more do I need to fill in to be the same as 5? Oh, 1, 2 more to be the same as 5. Okay. 4, 5. Now my 2 sets over here are the same, but I wanted it to be more. Let me add another button. This is now the top row filled in and 1 on the bottom, which makes 6. 5 and 1 is 6. Is 6 more than 5? Yes, it is. So now we know we have 6. Here's my number 6. So what we're saying, my friends, is that the number 6 is more than 5, and the number 3 is fewer than 5. All right, we can try another one. Let's see if we can make another one that's fewer. We said that 1, 2, 3 was. Can I add another button to that? Let's see. Let me add another button. Now what do I have? Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 1 missing from the top row. 1 less than 5 is 4. Is 4 fewer than 5? Yes, it is. What about making a set that's the same as 5? What would I need to do to make this set the same? So I want it to not be more, I want it to be the same. Oh, I need it to be this number, right? What do I need to do to make this 5? Take a button away. Now I have the top row filled. Now I have, are these the same now? Yes, they are. So what we just did, friends, is we constructed some sets that had more, fewer, and the same as a given set. I hope this has helped you. Go and collect some buttons or rocks or pebbles or leaves and count them and organize them and try to figure out sets that have more and sets that have fewer and sets that have the same amount. Have fun. All right, thanks. Bye.